Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for giving me opportunity to connect with you. My name is Seema and we are going to discuss on people who are emotional than they need to be. So if you are someone like that, then I want you to remember few things. Number one, don't get attached too soon. As an emotional person, you will always like to believe in goodness of others. But if you are meet somebody new in an organization or into your personal life, then at least observe that person for 6 months, and after 6 months, if you feel that this person will not hurt me intentionally, and if you're seeing that things into that person's action, then get involved or get attached or start to get attached afterwards, so that you will not get hurt much in a early stage. नंबर 2 इज़ लर्निंग टू कीप डिटैचमेंट. अगर हम अटैचमेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो हमें डिटैचमेंट के बारे में भी बात करनी चाहिए, राइट? एंड आई फील दिस फॉर एवरी इमोशनल पर्सन. नाउ व्हाट आई मीन बाय इमोशनल पर्सन इज इफ एज एन इमोशनल पर्सन, अगर जब हम जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा किसी से अटैच हो जाते हैं ना, तो उनके अगर एक स्मॉलेस्ट भी बिहेवियर में चेंज आएगा तो इट विल क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ केओस इनसाइड योर हार्ट एंड माइंड. But if you keep little detachment with your loved ones, then it will save you from that chaos, right? And now here, what I mean by keeping the detachment is in healthy way, not like I don't care now, मुझे कोई तुमसे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, इस टाइप में नहीं. Number 3 is be more accepting for the things not under your control. What I mean by this is, like, if you are an emotional person or in general if you are a normal human being, then there comes expectations with the attachment, correct? So if example sudden plan change हो गया, or if you were about to meet someone and you were really looking forward to meet that person and वो cancel हो गया, और आपके हम हर किसी के जब अटैचमेंट होती है तो वहाँ पे एक्सपेक्टेशंस होते हैं, एज आई सेड. तो वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस जब समवन इज नॉट मीटिंग टू योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस, देन देयर कम्स अ पेन बीनीथ इट. उससे एक पेन अटैच होता है, एंड उस पेन्स को अगर मैं बोलूँ, एंड दिस समथिंग आई एम ऑल्सो लर्निंग एंड आई एम सो कि नहीं, वॉट इज़ अंडर माई कंट्रोल. दिस सिचुएशन, ये प्लान चेंज होना या फिर अचानक से चीज़ें चेंज होना, ये मेरे अंडर नहीं है, ये मेरे कंट्रोल के अंडर नहीं है. मेरे कंट्रोल के अंदर क्या है, उस सिचुएशन को मैं कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करूँ या मैं उसको कैसे हैंडल करूँ. एंड इफ़ यू मास्टर इट, देन नथिंग कैन डिस्ट्रॉय योर पीस विद इन. एंड द लास्ट इज नंबर 4 is be clear about your boundaries. So I just wanted to tell you one thing here. There is a difference between an emotional person and a being a fool. If you are seeing a repetitive pattern in someone's behavior and you are forgiving them again and again out of the goodness you see in others, then it's high time to remove yourself from that situation or that person. The more you will entertain what does not align with your values, the more you will delay the things which are really meant for you. So be very clear on things, what you can tolerate and how much you can tolerate. Never ever compromise on the values you carry with yourself. So yes, that's it guys, that's the 4 points I feel I wanted to give you in this topic, and these are my own experiences, okay? I have no shame to accept it, because I feel कि चेंज का सबसे पहला स्टेप होता है उस चीज़ को चेंज करना, इज़ एक्सेप्टिंग योर मिस्टेक्स एंड लर्निंग फ्रॉम इट एंड ट्राइंग टू मूव फॉरवर्ड with that learning, and carry the goodness you always have within you, and it just boundaries. Again, it comes with boundaries. It comes with whom you are allowing to enter into your life, and whom you are deciding to entertain, and how much you are deciding to decide to entertain someone. So yes, that's it guys, that's the 4 points I have for this video, and I just hope this helps you, and that's it. I'll meet you very soon with new topic. Tab tak bye bye.